Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is DashPass on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're considering upgrading to DashPass. What actually is it and what benefits do you get? Now, if you go on to the DoorDash app and then click on Me on the bottom right hand corner, scroll up, you should see their DashPass benefits. So with DashPass, you essentially save on gift cards, you get 5 to 10% off Lyft rides each month, you get a zero delivery fee on groceries, and you also get 5% back when you pick up in DoorDash credits. So these are the DashPass benefits, and if I click on settings and then click on manage DashPass, you'll see that the DashPass is actually included with your Chase Sapphire Reserve. So you could actually gift a DashPass membership, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to explain what is DashPass on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.